Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella if you are new here, and if you're not, thanks so much for coming back and hanging out with me today. So I haven't done a fashion clothing style haul in a while. You guys know I love to do a lot of hauls on my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a small portion of some of the clothes I've been buying lately. I need to just do a massive haul, or I might break it up into different places I've gotten stuff from. I don't know how to do it because I don't do like fashion hauls very much, but I've been going to just a lot of different places and getting cute stuff lately. I've just been on a spree of buying clothes for many months now. So I have some from TJ Maxx and Marshalls, I guess, mostly TJ Maxx. That will probably be a separate haul, and just all sorts of stuff. If you want to see some of my other fashion hauls, I will link them down below in my playlist. And I also did a giant one for Black Friday, so that might have been my last one. Nope, I did a Savers haul, and I need to do more thrifting hauls as well. So if you like the sound of all that, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and have notifications turned on so you do not miss out on them. But anyways, today I'm going to be unboxing some really cool accessories I just got in the mail today. I have not seen them yet, so we're going to open them up together, as well as some kind of thrifty finds I got at the flea market this past weekend that I'm so excited about. Stuff I got at Kohl's and Target, and I think that's gonna be it for this haul. Very quick. So I just got in the mail, I think it's both of the pieces I ordered from Movement. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it. It's MVMT. So we're gonna unbox these together. They were kind enough to gift these to me through Octoly, and if you don't know what that is, I will link it down below. But all thoughts are always 100% my own and honest, but they did send these to me, and they are really cool. They make really like high style trendy items, and they're out of LA. They have free shipping and returns worldwide, I think. Oh, this is like heavy duty. Oh my gosh, this is like a sunglasses case, and then I have a little jewelry box, and I don't remember the last time I've like gotten accessories or done a haul about them, so I'm so excited. This is like heavy duty of a case. Look how cute this is. So these must be the sunglasses I ordered. I'm so excited, guys. Also, if you're wondering, my tongue is bright red. I stopped to get the strawberry Skittles freeze from Taco Bell on the way home. I don't know why. That's not normally something I would do, but I was so thirsty and I had no drinks in my car, and the guy gave it to me for free, which was so sweet. Oh my god, that made my whole day. Bless him. But yeah, I just brushed my teeth, flossed, the whole thing. Even my teeth are red. My mouth's very red. Anyways, let's get into these sunglasses. So they send us a little card. It says, welcome to the movement. In 2013, we made a promise to create high quality minimalist products at a revolutionary price. Due to the support of our awesome fans, Movement has become more than just a brand. We would not be here without you. Look how chic this case is. Oh my god. So they come in a box and this really cool, very cool to the touch case. Kind of feels like the packaging on NARS makeup, if you know what I mean. I never know what to call it. It has the logo right here. Very cool. So I'm glad they have a case so that you can keep your sunglasses safe. And here they are. They're even wrapped up so you don't ruin them. How cute are these? I'm like the queen of sunglasses. I love them. My current ones are so scratched up, so I'm glad these come with a case, and oh, they're so cute. So I got, I think, the matte black frames with like the blue lenses in them, and they're kind of cat eye shaped. I think these are the marquee sunglasses. Yeah, this is the matte black with the Bondi blue, and I will link these down below, of course. I'm so excited. I love funky sunglasses, especially blue ones. I just filmed the rest of the video like this, so now I can actually see and not be blinded by the ring light. And unfortunately that makes it a little harder to see what these actually look like, but I'm obsessed. How do I look? These are perfect in time. They're perfect for summer. I love them so much. You guys will have to let me know what you think of these down below. They have a bunch of different colors in this style. They have like tortoise shell ones and all sorts of different things. I love these, and the nose pads did not like totally rip off all my face makeup, which my aviators have been doing lately, and it drives me crazy because then you just look ridiculous walking into wherever you're going. But these are so pretty. I've been so excited for them. Perfect time to get a new funky pair of sunglasses is right before summer, right? Movement also gave me a 15% off, I believe, coupon code with MissglamBAM 15. So I will also write that down below if you want to check these, or the next product I'm gonna show you out. So this is the little bracelet case. Ooh, this is very nice. It's all like squishy. So classy. Really, really nice packaging. Ooh, and you pull it out. Ooh, so pretty. I feel like I've seen these all over Instagram. It's just the barred cuff, and I think mine is in gunmetal, and it has this really big opening to it. It's a little smaller than I was picturing. Yes, this is the single barred cuff in gunmetal. They also have it in like rose gold and other colors. And I like cuffs because I feel like with like charm bracelets and stuff, they move up and down your arm too much, whereas these kind of stay put. Look how pretty that is. I love it. It's so minimalist, just like their brand says, and simplistic, and it doesn't move up and down your arm like crazy, which drives me nuts. Oh my gosh, I have to wear this to the office tomorrow. Look how pretty. Ooh, I'm loving this. I'm obsessed with this. I love it, and it's a little grungy too with the gunmetal and just like the barbed wire. That is so cute. This I actually can wear for the rest of the haul. I love bracelets, but I hate when they get in my way, so I thought this would be absolutely perfect, and so far it is doing just exactly what I wanted it to do. So a huge thank you to Movement. Check them out if you like these pieces. They have lots of other cool stuff, and I'm just so excited to be rocking it this summer. So speaking of summer, I feel like something that's been super in lately is just denim everything. I finally bought a denim jacket the other day from Forever 21, and I'm obsessed with it. And I finally found a denim skirt that actually fits me. It took me forever trying on so many. This one's from Target. It's light wash, which is not usually my thing, but I love it, and it actually looks pretty cute. So this is the back. It's just straight. It's a little longer than I would like, and it kind of like the fabric curls up at the end, but it's pretty cute. It was the brand Universal Thread Goods Company, and it was $19.99, and yeah, I clearly have not worn this yet, but I've been waiting for it to be warm, for the weather to be perfect. This just looks adorable with shirts tucked into it or anything like that. Also from Target, oh, I'm obsessed with this shirt. I have a picture on Instagram of me wearing it, but it's just this off the shoulder, but you can also kind of wear it on the shoulder. It's one of those in between. You kind of have to like really think about it to move it down your shoulders a little bit. I feel like every time you put your arm up, it like the elastic pops back up, but that's okay. But anyways, the sleeves are gorgeous. It looks so 70s, so hippie. It just has this gorgeous floral embroidery, and then like these cute little almost pom-pom things on the edges on the sleeves. So nice big bell sleeves. And I never wear white. I like refuse to wear white shirts. This is the first white anything I've bought in years and years and years, but it's a little off-white. So it was worth it, and this is the Exhilaration brand, and I wore this to my friend's graduation and my boyfriend's graduation. I think it looked really nice. You could dress it up or down, or I kind of bought these two to go together, like if you tuck the white shirt into the jean skirt, it looks really cute. So these are kind of my style, but also pushing the boundary a little, so I was super excited. And guys, Target has the best clothes. Target has the best rompers for summer. I buy so many clothes there. My friends and I, like both of my best friends, love to go on shopping sprees there with me, and it's so bad because I'll just go nuts. I want to say this was like $30 or so, but I bought this romper and the next few things I'm gonna show you for my trip to Panama, and this I brought with me, but it was so hot in Panama, guys. I went in March and it was like 90s every day. It was so hot, but like the sleeves on these, they go a little below the elbow. It was just too hot, so I didn't wear this up until last weekend. I had my graduation party, so I wore it then, and it was super cute. So it has like kind of these lacy cutout sleeves and elastic at the bottom of them, which is nice. I don't think this has pockets. I hate when rompers don't have pockets. They always just feel like they should, but it doesn't. It's the only drawback. Has this little tie in the front. It's this cute floral pattern, and it has shorts, and then it has the same lace cutout on the bottom. So I've been absolutely loving this one. It's so cute. I love rompers. They're so easy, and if you get one that fits you, the ones at Target usually fit me pretty perfectly, so been obsessed. Then also for Panama, I just wanted some flowy vacation clothes, so I got some, I guess these are t-shirt dresses. They're just kind of like sundresses. I feel like all the sundresses I have are either too short or too low cut, because that's just how they make sundresses, or both. So I wanted some that would be modest, because I was going there with like my classmates and my professor, not trying to flash anyone or like be too low cut or anything. So I got these from Kohl's. They're really cute, just these t-shirt swing dresses. I actually wore this red one like the night I got super sunburnt, and I was almost the color of this dress. So I think forever that's what this will remind me of. This was on some sort of sale, I forget, but it's a swing dress by the brand So, and it has this cute little lace up detail in the front too. So it gives you like a little peeky but Nothing too crazy. So that just fits so comfy. It's like not form-fitting at all, so you don't have to be self-conscious. Like, it's just perfect. And then I got another one because it was just so comfy and cute, and I didn't own any t-shirt dresses before that. This one's also the brand So. Picture on Instagram me wearing this too. It's just this pretty blue color. Kind of looks like the romper, and I want to say, are these daisies or something? It doesn't have that lace up, but there's a slight v-neck, and then in the back there's like a little crisscrossy action, and then this weird plastic thing for a hanger that you don't need at all. But yeah, super comfy and adorable. I felt like such a little summer country girl tourist something in these. They're just so comfy, so I'm gonna be wearing these a lot this summer. They're just so easy. Also from Kohl's, I bought before Panama but have not worn yet. Ended up not bringing it with me there because my mom noticed I had this weird dye stain on it, and I was gonna go exchange it. You can kind of see the white here. It's totally random. And then I realized every other shirt had it too, but it's this really pretty kind of light purpley shirt, kind of flowy, then has the pretty lace, has this flower detail on the front. It's the brand Cloud Chaser, and this was $30 originally. I did not pay that, you know that. It was probably like 14 or something like that. So yeah, I ended up not exchanging it, and this fabric got really wrinkly, and it's just been hanging in my bathroom getting like the shower steam to straighten it out for like a month now, so it's doing good. But yeah, it's really cute, casual for summer. And then, as I said, this past weekend I went to the flea market, and normally it's kind of an interesting place to buy clothes, but this woman there was selling all this brand new LuLaRoe stuff for $5 each, and I never really got into the LuLaRoe thing, but for $5 I was gonna check it out. So I believe this is the Carly. Got it in a size small. I feel like their sizes run really small because she had, or run really big because she had an extra small, and it looked like it would fit me, and I'm not an extra small, but they also go up to 3XL. Anyways, it's this really pretty olive color with a little pocket, and it's just super long, and then it has a high-low hem. It's a little longer in the back. So this was $5, the Carly olive, super comfy. My dad was like, oh, isn't that a little drab? And I was like, Dad, olive's trendy, I like it. But it was just so comfy. I feel like a little goddess wearing this. You could accessorize it, dress it up, wear it with a jacket, do whatever you want. This like goes almost all the way down to my ankles because I'm short, so I've been obsessed with this. I want a lot more. And then I got a maxi skirt in the size small, I think. Don't know what the name of this is besides maxi, but this is the pattern. So funky, retro. I absolutely love it. So I hope it fits me well. She said some people wear it as like a tube dress because it has like a yoga kind of thing at the top. You can fold it over. So very versatile. All had the tags on them, like brand spanking new. Love this pattern, so cute. So that's everything. Hope you guys enjoy. Let me know how you like this video. I love to talk to you guys down in the comments. Give it a thumbs up so I know you liked it. Subscribe, join our GlamBAM fam, turn on notifications so you don't miss a video, and I